Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I have a special unboxing for you guys to check it out. This one is the Kobe Aston collection. So my client got to set up this, but let's go ahead and open this and check it out. Wow, look at that. He kept this for a couple years. Might be a decade. Oh. So you got the Kobe and then Nike swoosh in metallic silver color right there. And then you got the Kobe Bryant right here. And Aston Martin right there. The Nike swoosh. And another Kobe Nike swoosh logo right there. And then Nike Kobe. You got the Kobe Bryant, Aston Martin. Go ahead and check out the size. So this one's the twin pack. Kobe Aston Martin Pack. Size 7.5. There's your barcode right there. And these are made in China. Give you guys a barcode number. Alright, so let's go ahead and take out the top one. Wow, look at this. Got the nice, gray lace with the chrome tip. And you got the Kobe Bryant, Aston Martin right here. And then Nike on the top of the tongue. It comes with the extra burgundy lace with the chrome tip. Got the Nike swoosh logo right here. And then the Nike on the back of the heel cup. So it looks like a carbon fiber right here. Got the Nike swoosh right there. Let's go ahead and check out the inner tongue right here. Got the Kobe Bryant signature, and then it says made in China. Says Nike Hyperlink AM. Let's go ahead and take out the shoes tree. look at that. It says on the insole, it says Kobe Bryant, I told you. And it is scattered over the insole. Let's go ahead and check out the other side. Got the silica gel, keep it dry. And then the tissue paper has scattered over the Kobe Bryant Aston Martin switch logo in circular. And the other side is just blank. So here's the other shoes. Well, the other side of it. Let's go and check out the other pair. Oh, there's a dimension right here for the box, in case you guys want to legit check it. And then it says Kobe Bryant, that's how you do it. And then there's a stamp right there. Check out this pair right here. Oh. So you got the same thing with the green box. Wow, look at that. So this one's like a dark gray finish. You got the Kobe Mamba symbol right there. Nice. I'm not sure is it 3M reflective or not. Looks like it. Got the carbon fiber right here. Pretty strong. There's a special pattern right here, and you also got the Kobe Mamba symbol right there. And you got the black lace. And on the insole, this is like a rubber material. You got the Kobe Bryant, Aston Martin, and Nike swoosh. So take out the shoe tree. And on the tip, it's like a glossy black. And then you got the Kobe signature on the heel cup right here. It's like a metallic finish. Let me see if I can take out the insole. It's kind of glued down. I don't want to mess with this. So, and then there's a size tag right here. It's made in China. Let's go ahead and check out the other side. And you got the silica gel again. Got the same thing with the gray insole with the silver Kobe Bryant Aston Martin Nike swoosh logo. And he even got the original price. Back then was like $300 plus tax, $29.25 for the tax, so $329.25. And then he wants it for $10,000 for the whole set. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.